Hi friends, welcome to Taste with Us. Today we are going to make delicious and crispy vada. This vada will be crispy from outside and soft from inside. Let's see how to make this recipe. In a bowl, add quarter kg of urad dal, 1 tablespoon of raw rice, wash well. Add water and let it soak for 1 hour. After 1 hour, drain the water and add the urad dal in the grinder. Grind it into a thick batter. In the batter, add 200 grams of chopped shallots, curry leaves, 1 tablespoon of grated ginger, 1 teaspoon of peppercorns, 3 chopped green chilli, salt. Mix the ingredients for 2 minutes so that the batter will become fluffy. Shape the vadas and add them into hot oil. Fry the vadas until golden brown. Delicious and crispy vada is ready. Give this recipe a try. If you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to Taste with Us. Thank you.